Hello guys and welcome to the channel. First, congratulations on obtaining your US citizenship. In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to get your US passport. You're gonna need two things: an appointment and the form DS-11. Print out your appointment confirmation and the DS-11 and fill it out because you're gonna need them in your appointment. Print them out, fill it out, and take it with you to your appointment. Now, let's start with the video tutorial. And use Google or Safari. Either one is fine. So we're going to Safari, and here you're gonna type a US passport appointment. US passport appointment, and you go here. Okay, here you go. Okay, so you're gonna fill out the blank. Now you put new passport, one person, zero minor. You go here. The step 2 can be by a, let's see, it says location or date. Gonna look for location, and here you can type the zip code or the name of the city you live in. Either one is fine. So I'm gonna put the zip code, and 20 miles, 20 miles is fine. Search. Okay, here's all the option they give me. I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, and now the date. Okay, I'm gonna make this one just to do the video. Here we go. And now time. You see, those are not available, so you have to choose one of those. I'm gonna choose this one. And now verification. Now you're gonna put your name. It's capitalized. Let's see. Find your email address. Here we go. They're gonna send you a verification code, so you can choose by email or by text, either one you want. I'm gonna choose by email, and here we go. Okay, here I'm gonna put the verification email the verification code Gmail. Now I'm going to my Gmail account to see the verification code. Here it is. Okay, here's the verification code. 832261. Here you go. Almost done. And here's my appointment. You're gonna need to print it out because you're gonna need it to, you're gonna take it with you to your appointment. So you need to print it out. And here we go. Here is, as you can see, print. If you need to change anything, you can edit, or you can put it in your calendar. So print, you see, you need to print it out. So because you're gonna need it when you go to your appointment, you're gonna need this two sheet of paper. You see, here you go. Now you have your appointment. Now you need the DS11. That's the form to fill out to take to appointment. So go and DS11. Let's see which one I'm gonna. For okay, here we go online. No, I don't want to do it online. I want a PDF. Let me see. Let's see. Okay. And here's the form you need. And here's, you're gonna fill it out and print it. Your name, let's see, name, first name, date of birth, social security number, photo. You're gonna, and this part they gonna fill it out at your appointment. This is for the person who helping you with your passport. This part you're gonna fill it out and print it out, and that's pretty much everything. They're gonna take they're gonna make copy, they're gonna give you the copy, and they're gonna take the original, but they're gonna send it to you back after you receive your passport. So everything, a couple of days, maybe 2 3 days after you receive your passport, they're gonna send every document you gave them back. They're gonna send it to you, and that's pretty much everything. That's pretty much everything. Uh, you know, you if you want your passport to be express, you pay the
$60, and you get your passport. That's everything.
Basically, this is everything. Thank you for watching the video.